Let's have a look at our spark plug and let's see how we can change the gap, or we can measure the gap. We use the gapper, a spark plug gap tool made in the US. On this side is metric. When we turn the coin around, we are on the inch side of things, and we see the name of it, the gapper. All right. So we need 0.04 on this one. And how this works is you put the spark plug in here like this, there, and then you move it slowly over until it doesn't move anymore. Here we are at 0.025. We can't move it up to 0.03 or 0.04 where we want to be. So the gap is too small. We need a larger gap. And for that, we use the gap opener. See, there's the gap opener. You go in here and just bend a little bit. And now the gap is more open, right? Let's see where we are now. So we start again down here. We go further, further, further. Further, further, further. So I'm almost at 0.04. That's where we wanted to be. I didn't quite make it. There's like a little bit more. And I do think that is not worth it to bend it more open, because if we bend it more open, we will end up further up here. So I take this as a good bend. It's almost 0.4. You can see there. There it is. Let's twist it out, and now the gap is perfectly 0.04 with the gapper and the gap opener. And here we have the metric version. If you go metric, you go in here like this. Again, you go all the way where you're supposed to be, here, there. That's where it gets stuck. Look around on the other side. It's almost 1 millimeter. Here we see. Almost 1 millimeter gap. Hope you liked this, and I see you in the next video. Cool little tool.